But just watch out. When she get finished beating down me, you're not going to even recognize me.
Hello my mermaids and welcome back to the channel. Today we are rocking with the Atina hair. So excited. This wig is pre-plucked, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It has an elastic band on it, and all you have to do is literally put it on your head. And I'm showing you, I've done nothing. I took it out of the box. I'm putting it on her head and showing you guys just how it just blends right in. She does not need anything fancy. It's coming straight up out of the pack and onto her head. I want you guys to see how beautiful everything is. The knots are beautiful. Everything, the hairline looks amazing. It does not need to be plucked. It does not need anything. Straight up out of the box onto the person's head. By the way, this is my lovely grandmother. This is my dad's mom. And this is her first wig install. She's never had a wig like this before. She's used to the she's never had a lace wig before. So today she's going to experience what it's like having a lace wig on. This is HD lace that this is the HD lace, and I am using the Even glue. I'm using the Even lace glue. This is actually my first time using it, so I'm still learning how to really work with it. I did apply a thin layer to her hairline, and I added 3 coats of this. This is actually really good glue, but I noticed that for me it did not dry clear. It went purple. It went like a purplish color, and it was taking a minute to go clear, so I still put it on there anyway, and it came out really good. So once you tie it down, it melts, and once it dries, I guess it dries clear. I'm not sure, but it did not go clear before I melted it down. Now this is a straight wig in 10 inches. You guys, this quality is impeccable. The hair is very soft, and she loved her hair, and I think it looked so natural. It looked like it was coming out of her scalp. So I'm just applying this glue here, you guys, and I'm smoothing it out with the end of my razor. Now I'm gonna go ahead and roll it forward to go ahead and place it into the glue. I'm gently pulling it down and placing that lace into that glue. And for me to use this glue for the first time, it actually did work out really well. I'm really impressed with the glue. Again, I still need to get comfortable with it, but so far so good. And I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I'm just smoothing that hair and smoothing that lace into that glue. Mermaids, and welcome. And welcome. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down and allow it to melt into her skin. And I did notice that the glue went clear. It was no purple residue or anything once I removed this elastic band from around her hairline. This is the hair, you guys. Absolutely, positively gorgeous. I think this hair is very appropriate for anybody at any age, and it just was wonderful. Again, it already had a middle part, but I'm just cleaning that middle part up. This was already pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You don't have to do anything but put the wig on your head, style it, and that is it. This is one of the best wigs where you can just take it out and put it on your head. A lot of wigs say that you can take it out and put it on your head, but this company, absolutely, you can take it out, cut the lace off, put it on your head, and walk around confidently knowing that the bleach has been applied to the knots properly and the lace and the hairline has been plucked beautifully and flawlessly. Hi mermaids, and welcome. Next, I'm going to just go ahead and do some beachy type curls in her hair. I am not the best curler, and I am still working and learning how to curl with a flat iron. It's going pretty good so far, but I need a lot of practice. So I'm just so grateful to have my beautiful grandmother here who just allows me to just dress her up, make her up, do her hair. She's so sweet, you guys. This is my dad's mom, and she definitely helped raise me. I lived with her in my 10th and 11th grade year in high school, and she was the best, and is, because she's still here, is the best grandmother ever. So sweet, so supportive, so loving, got your back to the end of time. And we just really have to appreciate our grandmothers, you guys, and give them their roses while they're still here, that she can still smell her roses. And I'm just so grateful to have her here in my home. She's, helping me along my journey, allowing me to just practice on her and do her hair, and it's just wonderful. So just giving her some curls and just the way she felt about herself after the hair was done and as we were doing it, it just makes me feel so good, because she's made me feel like that a million times. Hi mermaids, and welcome. And welcome. The hair does hold a really nice curl. It's just me learning how to curl hair properly. It's taking me time. I'm getting the hang of it, but the hair curls beautifully, and it definitely holds a curl. Hi mermaids, and welcome.
Oh, wow. Look at that, Holly.
And you don't know.
Girl!
I'm lost.
Girl, that was tight on there, too.
Come through!
Oh, girl, you bad.
Surrounding cities.
Oh, she's melted.
And I know the answers. Come
She
through!
is melted.
There is no answer.
Let's gotta cut this off. Yeah, she is melted, honey.
What love got to do with it? Hey,
I'm going to start with
This beat right
Go ahead
here.
and tell them the answer.
beautiful.
Ooh, I did grow up 3 hours from Detroit.
Next, I'm just taking and cutting the lace off, and it was very easy to cut off. I didn't have any issues with this hair, you guys. It had no problem cutting off. It had no problem melting, and this is probably the best beginner friendly wig because you don't have to do anything to it. You literally just take it out of the box, cut the lace off, put it on your head, cut the lace off, style it, and you're good to go. You don't even have to glue it down if you don't want to, but we wanted to glue this down. And it looked so pretty. Even when I cut the lace off, I was really impressed. Mermaids, and welcome. Now I'm just cleaning up her middle part and just defining that middle part. As you can see, the hairline looks amazing. I'm just taking my hot comb. Hot comb is very essential. You need a hot comb for all your installs. Definitely need a hot comb. And it just looks so good. Like, I was so happy and she was so happy. It looks like her hair. It really, really looks like her hair. And I wasn't even thinking to show you guys what her hair looked like before, but she has gray hair on her. She has all gray hair and it looks beautiful. But oh my gosh, seeing her with this hair like this, it just looks like her hair. She looks so young. She has no makeup on, you guys. Her skin is flawless. This is my grandmother that I was telling you guys about, the exfoliation. I did a feminine hygiene video and I'll link it up here, but this is the one that taught me everything about my skin. And look at this hairline, you guys. Amazing. Amazing and flawless. And now I'm just working on her baby hairs. And I just love that she just lets me practice and just do me. So I'm using this wax stick just to separate the baby hairs and the sideburns. And what I need to get is a little curling iron, you guys, like the little flat irons to do the baby hairs. I need to order one of those to make my life easier. You guys suggested me get one of those, so I'm gonna get that. Mermaids, and welcome. And I'm just working on her baby hairs right now. I'm using the Got To Be spray, and I really like the Got To Be spray when I'm molding my baby hairs. I am going to try some other methods that I have seen, but I am definitely getting the hang of laying the baby hairs like this. So I like it. It works for me. I sprayed on the brush, and then I spray a little bit where I'm going to lay the baby hairs, and it seems to work pretty good. I'm not, of course, perfect or 100% comfortable yet, but it definitely has been working out for me. So I did the part, I did go ahead and conceal it, and I did put some spray, black spray, into her part area. She's loving it. She's feeling herself. She thinks she looks really pretty, and I agree. And it just really came together so nicely. It was very easy, and anybody can do this look. I'm gonna have you put your head down, sweetie. Turn to the left. Turn to the right. I'm gonna have. All right, honey, that looks good. You can turn to the side, turn to the back if you need to, honey. You look beautiful.
Gorgeous. With no makeup.
None.
Simply good hair. Simply good hair. You ain't had hair wig like that.
Not at all.
Not to hold down like that.
You look beautiful.
Now that look like real, yes.
That looks like her real hair.
They sure do. Got your edges laid, what?
What?